Have you ever wondered if your email address has been leaked somewhere on the internet? Maybe from a hacked website, a compromised database, or a company that suffered a security breach. The truth is, it happens more often than you think. And if your email is leaked, your passwords, your personal information, and even your online accounts could be at risk. But don't worry, today, I'll show you 3 free and trusted online tools you can use to quickly check whether your email has ever been exposed in a data leak. Let's get started. Tool number 1, Have I Been Pwned? The first and most popular tool is called Have I Been Pwned? This website collects data from hundreds of real security breaches and lets you check if your email is inside those leaked databases. All you have to do is type in your email address and hit search. In just a few seconds, the website will tell you whether your email appeared in any known data breaches, what services were affected, and the dates of those leaks. If your email shows up in the results, don't panic. Just make sure you change your passwords, turn on two-factor authentication, and avoid using the same password across multiple websites. Tool number 2, Firefox Monitor. Next is Firefox Monitor, a security tool created by Mozilla. It works similarly to Have I Been Pwned, but it also gives you extra security recommendations and alerts when new leaks include your email. You simply enter your email address, and Firefox Monitor scans it across multiple breach databases. The great thing about this tool is that you can sign up for alerts. So whenever your email appears in a new leak, you'll get notified automatically. This is extremely helpful because new breaches happen all the time, and staying informed is the best way to protect your accounts. Tool number 3, Google Password Checkup. The third tool is Google Password Checkup, which you can find inside your Google account settings. Even though it focuses on your saved passwords, it also checks whether your email and passwords have been found in leaked databases. When you run the checkup, Google will tell you if any of your logins are compromised, reused, or weak. It's a simple way to tighten your security in just a few clicks, especially if you use Chrome or Android. Final tips. Before we end, here are 3 quick tips to stay safe online. Always use strong, unique passwords for each account. Turn on two-factor authentication wherever possible. And never click suspicious links or download unknown files. Cyber attacks and data breaches are becoming more common every year, but with these 3 tools, you can stay one step ahead and keep your information safe. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.